artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world as we know it. This transformative technology is no longer a futuristic concept. It is actively reshaping industries and revolutionizing the way we work. From automating tasks to providing insightful data analysis, AI is becoming an integral part of the modern workplace. Gone are the days of viewing AI with fear and uncertainty. The narrative is shifting towards embracing AI as a powerful tool. This tool can enhance productivity, foster innovation, and create more fulfilling work experiences for everyone. The integration of AI into the workplace signifies a fundamental shift in how businesses operate. It also signifies a shift in how people work. It's not about replacing humans with machines. It's about empowering employees to achieve more than ever before. The future of work is undoubtedly intertwined with AI, and those who adapt and harness its potential will be the ones who thrive in this exciting new era. The rise of AI brings with it a new breed of worker, the augmented worker. This term refers to employees who leverage AI tools and technologies to enhance their capabilities and perform their jobs more effectively. Imagine a world where mundane and repetitive tasks are handled by AI-powered systems. This frees up human employees to focus on more creative, strategic, and complex aspects of their work. This is the promise of the augmented worker. AI acts as an intelligent assistant, providing workers with real-time insights, automating tasks, and helping them make better decisions. This collaboration between human ingenuity and AI's computational power unlocks unprecedented levels of productivity, efficiency, and job satisfaction. By embracing the concept of the augmented worker, organizations can empower their employees to work smarter, not harder. This leads to better outcomes for both the individual and the company as a whole. The impact of AI is being felt across various industries, transforming traditional workflows and creating new opportunities. In healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical images, assist in diagnoses, and develop personalized treatment plans. This not only improves patient care, but also frees up doctors to focus on more critical cases. The finance industry is leveraging AI algorithms to detect fraud, automate trading decisions, and provide personalized financial advice to customers. Manufacturing is another sector being revolutionized by AI. Think smart factories with AI-powered robots and humans collaborating seamlessly on production lines, optimizing efficiency, and minimizing errors. These examples highlight how AI is not just a tool for a select few, but a transformative